Hello friends, today I am making a carbon experiment. How to make a carbon paper. It is a experiment friends, so we have to need a glass of water, a pen, a plate, any plate, you can use small plate. I am using big paper, that was I am using this big plate, okay, and two papers. Okay, first start with the water. Alright. Then take any paper and put it. See friends, now to pour the water here and alright, then take out this paper slowly. Out of, okay, slowly out of that. Slowly. Alright. I'm putting paper here, this side. Okay, alright. And pour this water on glass. Put glass and only glass, and slowly take this. See? Okay, now I'm writing my mana badi mistake. So I'm writing double, so please wait. See. Okay, I'm writing now. Okay, I'm writing. Alright. Okay. After 5 minutes, take out this paper. See, there is a name. See, friends. So the water paper is the best. So the carbon. We can call this water paper or any carbon paper I have made. Okay. Sorry, Mama. I have put wrong. This side I have to put. This side. Alright. So your name is Manabadi Master. I made my name and my daddy name. I wrote it and I put the paper on the, what is it we can call, okay, rope. Had put rope on the rope, it like this paper, and wrote it, and I made it after I 10 or 20 or 5 minutes. I have go and see that has been gone. I don't know why it is gone. I don't know. I also see it's gone. Okay, please like, share, subscribe. If you have any doubts, please ask in comments. Bye bye.